Hi guys, in this video we are going to start basic division course. So in this video we will discuss that what is division. So division simply means that we have to share something equally. For example, you imagine that you have 10 chocolates in your hand, and you have to share these 10 chocolates among your 5 friends. So how many chocolates will each friend get? It means that we have to simply divide uh, chocolates 10 chocolates in 5 friends. So 10 divided by 5. So here we will use table. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. It means that our answer is 2 because 5 times 2 is 10. So here we can write 10 divided by 5 is 2. So each friend will get 2 chocolates. So this is simple concept of division. So you can now move further. You can take more example. Let's take another example. 15 divided by 3. What is the answer? Pause the video and tell the answer. We know that 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9, and similarly we can go further. 3 times 4 is 12 and last 3 times 5 is 15. So you can see that we get exactly 15. So 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5. If you know the tables, then division is very easy and fast for you. So please comment answer of these questions below. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more lectures on division.